Go. Well, good afternoon, everybody. Got my buddy Tyler out here for an afternoon duck hunt. And we got into the marsh in a really interesting way today. Tyler's got a big, basically a two-person paddleboard, really a one-person paddleboard, but we made two people and a dog work, threw a little 8-horsepower kicker on it, and motored pretty much right to our spot. And this place is loaded today. Most ducks I've seen in here in the past week since I've got up to Alaska. So just got our little spread thrown. We're gonna be hiding in the grass here. Got ducks flying all over the place. It kind of calmed down right now, but we got like an hour and a half till high tide, so things should really start to pick up here in 30 minutes. And we actually got some other people out here. Got someone over there, you can kind of see their boat, and then there's someone over on the other side of this peninsula as well. So should keep the birds moving around pretty good. Really excited for this one. Should be a beautiful afternoon. We got kind of perfect conditions, decent little north wind, good shadows from the sun, and we're about to get locked and loaded. So stay tuned. Let's get after it. Hopefully we get on them. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna lay out, kind of. I honestly could scoot up. This stuff is almost like a little bit too tall, but I'm just gonna kind of lay it back on me. There we go. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Push them all the way. This single might do it. He's all you if he comes in. You get him. You get him. You sure? You take first crack. It's gonna be on your side anyway. There you go. Go. Good shot. No, no.
Oh,
sit.
Dang it.
You're good.
There's other ones coming in.
That was a nice widgeon. Good stuff.
Thanks, buddy. I'll take. Oh, we got ducks from the left flaring in.
Oh yeah.
You call it.
There, that. Give him one more pass. I think they're gonna do it still. Maybe not.
They're turning again. We got ducks straight out too. That might work their way in.
Yeah, if you feel like you can hit that shot, take that all day.
It's a long one, but probably could. If they're flying straight, yeah.
Roo! Good girl! That's a pretty widget for this time of year.
Really?
It's okay, she can take it back. Stand over and grab it.
Is that what she does?
Yeah.
Alright, he's gonna shot.
Good girl. Sit. Oh, dude. That's gorgeous widgeon for this time of year. Starting to get the white wing patch, tertial feather. I mean, that's a gorgeous widgeon for this time of year. Congrats on a beaut.
Thanks, bucko.
This grass gets broke down so quick.
What was that?
This grass just gets broke down so quick.
Can't believe those three didn't work us.
I know.
Oh shit, ducks.
Shoot that one.
There it is.
Good shot.
That was terrible shooting, but
No, you're
that
good.
wasn't.
We got a bunch more. We'll leave that one. You kill him stone dead?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, a bunch more right up. Yeah, that's the only problem with this tall grass. I couldn't see over the top of it.
No, and then I wasn't ready either, and they came in low.
Yeah, I would have been blowing Rue's eardrums out.
That was embarrassing.
No, you killed him. That's all that matters.
You know what you could get to help throw in your spread too? That might work.
What was that?
Is swans.
Some what?
Swans.
Yeah, that'd probably work good out here.
It would. It would.
These geese are coming back. These geese are actually coming back. Holy
You
cow.
see this one duck solo onto our left?
Shoot him.
Oh my gosh.
Rue! kind of
Not to shoot over your head too
No,
much.
you're all good. That was I don't know if I could have waited any longer for him to swing over.
No,
that was,
they were a little high, but still.
Yeah, I just felt like that was our best opportunity.
I didn't want to swing over your head.
Yeah, I appreciate that. Leave it. Good girl. Back.
Got those two?
Over. Good girl.
Damn, dude, she's good.
Oh, she's real good. She's a little breaky today. She like half broke on that one again, but
Got a lot of ducks off to our left.
yeah. Come here.
A lot.
Here. Leave it. Kennel. Root. Kennel. Good girl. Stay.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, shoot. Get ready. Get ready. Go.
Couldn't get another one loaded.
We killed a lot there.
I know I hit 3.
I think I got 2. Good stuff.
Nice work.
Oh. We had to take advantage of that. That was an awesome decoy.
Sick.
Roo!
Oh, dude, that was. I haven't had that many birds decoy out.
Come here. I don't know who killed one. We'll just, I'll just kind of work Roo around and here. Here.
Yeah, I don't even care.
Roo.
Whatever.
She is so good at marking. Oh, she was on it.
I know for sure 2 of mine dropped and I hit the 3rd. But
Wow, she marked that one out there. Whoa, come here. Come here. Insane marking. Good girl. Leave it. Back. Good girl.
got 3 already?
Yeah.
Wonder.
I dropped one back here too. Leave it.
Maybe we shot at the same duck.
We might have, but I don't think I did. Back. Over.
Ducks flying left.
Oh yeah. Good girl. Good girl. You're all good. Leave it.
Oh, you want it.
If you got a shot, feel free to take it. Oh, these widgeon want it.
We got 2 coming back over left again. 1 solo high.
Good girl, Kennel.
Solo coming in.
Yeah, I'm just gonna tuck back in. I know we got 1 to the left, and then I don't know after.
1 I shot way over left still. Let's see if this guy's gonna come in. No.
Yeah.
He is. You take him.
Okay. Oh, he's gonna die now. Roo!
There's 2 over there now. She can.
Yeah, I can send her on another.
Nice shot.
Appreciate it.
Shot too.
Good girl. Here. Leave it. Would you mind ringing that one for me? I got a bunch of grass in my gun. Heel. Come here. Back. Over. Good girl.
Oh, look, you got him coming in now too.
Oh yeah. Here. Kennel, kennel.
Oh yeah. Oh, here we go. Decoy in. That one's yours.
Right here.
Take that.
Rue. Sorry, I did not. I should have called that one out better. I didn't see the.
Okay. I was watching the bird on the right.
Oh, really?
Yeah, take it.
Good girl. Good girl. Leave it. Well, tide is rolling into the marsh right now. Huge flood tide today. This is what I was looking for on my kayak hunt the other day. But really cool to see water rolling in here like this. So I'm just making a quick decoy adjustment, just trying to get them a little tighter to the edge, because they're kind of floating away here and not really looking the most natural. One more big flock in here. We dice them up.
So I need 3. No, I need 2.
You need 2. Unless you want me to take that with you, I'm fine with that.
Matter. We got birds.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh man, come on. Pintails. Do we want to shoot them over the top?
Oh, we could have.
Well, we definitely could have.
We could have smoked a couple.
Oh, we got 2 more spoonies. Spoonies love the call.
Ready?
I think we give them one more, they're gonna loop.
Oh.
Just wait. Yeah. Yeah. And go.
Ow.
What?
How the f did we all miss that? That was embarrassing. We're gonna delete that from the video.
No, that's gonna be the first clip in there.
Jesus, we sucked on that.
That was bad. Bunch of birds just lifted on our left. What in the world?
What happened?
I would thought that Drake
like
Spoonie was gonna just fold.
Trouble.
So they were still moving pretty good, but I mean, that's a pretty lame excuse. We should have definitely killed them both.
I think both of us were not leading them near far enough.
No.
We thought they were breaking way harder.
Yeah. It was fun to watch them work though. They were they wanted the call bad. I don't have eyes on it. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Here, I'll take it. Oh no, your side. Kill it, kill it, kill it.
Oh my.
Nice shot. Oh,
Get it. There it is. Oh, we don't
no, kennel.
Oh,
Full brick kennel.
wasn't leaning that heavy enough either.
Sorry, I hope I didn't hurt your ears at all.
That's okay. Like I said, you're not gonna. It's all right.
I just hate to let a
cripple fucking run.
Yeah.
No, I was reloading. That was good. Thank you for shooting. She is breaking a bit early, huh?
There we go, little pintail. Worked in pretty nice. Tyler made a good attempt on it, but had to finish it off for him. So that one's going in my pile. We both got 6 now. Rube broke real bad on that one. So I think I'm gonna, if we get a single in here, so I think Tyler's gonna be up next, and I'm just gonna stay ready with the e-collar, because from what I saw last year, if you let her get away with it a couple times, then it becomes a habit. But if I can nip it in the bud, hopefully we'll be good for the rest of the season. She was awesome the other day, so kind of came out of the blue, but I think you get a couple guns out here, get her a little more excited, and it tends to happen. Oh, got more ducks up, man. Oh, big flock of probably the same pintails. them on the pass here if we get them.
Yep.
Go.
I got those two. Did you?
Rue. Good girl. Here. Here. Here.
Did you get one of those?
I think I got one on the right. Yep. We got a single up front. Sit. Sit. Showing. Go, go, go,
Nice shot. Nice far shot. That's
go.
it.
Rue.
Right? What's up?
Yeah, curious. Leave it.
Love seeing. Oh,
Mark.
I'm out.
Mark. Rue.
Oh, I blocked him in the last two shots.
Well, GoPro just died here in the last couple seconds, but had a big flurry of birds come in, and Tyler and I both got our last two. We were about to call it anyway. Just worked out perfect. Nice long retrieve for Rue. She stayed perfectly steady on the last few here. Nice widgeon drake. She's like, I'm taking this to my spot.
This is my duck. Who makes these?
Heyday, also formerly known as lifetime decoys.
Yeah, they're nice.
Yeah, super light.
Yeah, they are. Cut!
Oh.
Almost got wet twice today.
Might need to stop.
Man, she's gone, boys.
Oh, too good. Well, Tyler and I just got off the water. Fun little rip out of there on that paddleboard. That thing was absolutely wild. So quite the adventure today, taking that back into the marsh. Right now we're just soaking in one of the best Alaska sunsets I've ever seen. Just absolutely magnificent. Just real quick, I wanted to go ahead and show you the birds we finished with. Tyler got 5 widgeon, 3 teal. Absolutely gorgeous widgeon drake for this time of year. And then I ended with a couple pintails, 4 widgeon, and a couple teal. I was able to pick off a couple nice drakes myself. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did and you enjoy waterfowl hunting videos, I'd really appreciate if you click that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the hunt, leave it in the comment section down below. Hope everybody out there is staying safe. God bless, and thanks for watching.